Crowded classes, monotonous teaching, irrelevant study material, lack of individual attention, misleading claims, unreasonably high fees, offline classes or online classes. And the outcomes are confused parents, overburdened students, loss of interest in study. Break the norms. Experience the change.
Do you find maths and science to be very tough? Do you feel maths and science are the most challenging school subjects? Are you looking for the best maths and science coaching in mathematics for 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th? Science for 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. And biology for 11th and 12th.
Takine takine takadine tha holi hai din takine takine takadine